Subscribe to my YouTube channel Heartfulness OM and press the bell icon to watch my latest videos first.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Heartfulness OM, and today I'm going to do a review on VLCC SPF 40 sunscreen. Okay, earlier I was using another sunscreen that was not for my skin because I did have oily skin that time, and I think right now also I'm having oily skin, but I was using that and I was like so dumb at that time. Anyways, so this one is for, I think, good for oily skin because I have oily skin, so I've been using it like more than 2 months now. So its price is rupees 265, which is kind of okay because it's a sunscreen, not a regular moisturizer, so you can like expect 265 rupees, but its quantity is little bit less. It's 50 gram only, so you are getting 50 gram for 265 rupees. So it's like you can decide, but for me it's like okay. And it has SPF 40, so different sunscreens have different SPF, like some have 30, some have 40, some has 50, so it has 40. So it's written here that it is suitable for all skin types, and my skin is oily, so I'm using it regularly and it's okay for me. So if you have oily skin, you can try it, and as it is mentioned here, it's for good for all oily skin, so everybody can use it. You can it's written in the packaging that you have to apply this before leaving your house, like before 20 minutes. Like if you are leaving your house at 9:20, then you should apply it at 9 a.m. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say, that you have to apply this 20 minutes prior leaving your house and before going under the sun, like 20 minutes before going under the sun. And yes, one thing I want to tell you, it's paraben free. Paraben is like something like chemical which is not suitable for skin. I think it's kind of that. So some people do ask me in my previous videos that whether the product has paraben or not. So yes, it doesn't have paraben, so you can absolutely go for this product. This will not like cause side effect to your skin from like my personal experience. And its smell is like okay, like a creamy smell, you know, like little bit like a Fair Lovely kind of smell, like that. I think, I believe I give this product 8.5 marks out of 10. Do try this, I love it. And this is not a sponsor video. This product is purchased with my own money and so guys, I'm going to get 5,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. I'm really happy for that. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you are interested in more reviews, more videos, then do let me know in the comment section. I would like to read your comments. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram at heartfulness_om. If you want to like, you know, I put there some pics like regularly regarding my personal life updates or some like motivational kind of stuff. So if you are interested in that, then do follow me there. I would like to know you people. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.